Hello, hi, hello everyone. A very good evening to all of you. I see a lot of people. Okay, good evening. Yeah, so welcome, heartily welcome to all of you for our very first episode of Hobby Station. A platform, a space where you can indulge in a lot of new activities and a lot of new interests for your kids and as well for you as well, so that you can just enjoy them and you can just practice them at your homes, sitting inside your living rooms without having to go anywhere. And okay, so people are asking me what are the things we need. All we need are 5 to 10 papers, squared size papers, origami papers we call it. Or you can just take a paper, a plain simple paper, put to make a fold like this, make a triangle fold, and then cut the squared part, the triangle folded part, just cut that part so that it becomes a square shaped size if you don't have any other ones. Okay, so I am really excited to welcome our first guest speaker, or our first. We are very excited to call our origami teacher, as I may say, or a very keen interest, a person who has a really keen interest in all of these things, Miss Ayushi. I'll just join her. Start 1 second. Again to all our audiences. Oh, hi,
Hi,
welcome, Rishi. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Hi. So oh, my voice is cracking. I'm so sorry. We were just introducing our first session for Hobby Station that we've just launched, and today's session is going to be the art of origami. And without further ado, ma'am, please take it away. Tell us what origami is. How did you get into it, and why is it such a nice hobby for kids to have at home?
Okay, so we'll start hi, I'm Ayushi. So I am an interior designer by profession, and all things crafty, all things that involves a lot of hand skills. That gives me a lot of keen interest. So. As students, as children, we have always, mesmerized the fact that we have papers, we have made paper boats, we have made those paper windmills and everything.
Right.
So all these carries away your brain, and then you want to do more out of it. So yeah, that's how I got into origami, and then eventually when I got into my designing course, so it has a lot of model making and everything. So there was more hands-on with paper and other materials like that.
Yeah,
So
absolutely,
yeah, that's
absolutely.
how I got into origami.
Amazing, amazing. For everyone here, Paper Treasures, Miss Ayushi is here, the owner of Paper Treasures. She is joining in with that. So, anyone who would like to see her work and who would want to see what more she does with it, amazing crafty stuff that she does, please follow her page, guys. Go check it out again. And we have a lot of questions coming in. Just we'll quickly see them. Somebody's asking how many square papers we'll require. So,
So
safely, probably, like, yeah, please, ma'am.
you can have 2 to 3 papers. Like on a safer side, you can have 5 of them, and also come along with a pair of scissors. We might need it during
Oh, we
the
might need
thing.
scissors. Okay,
Yeah,
great. I thought of joining you as well in this interest in this hobby
great,
because
great,
I've never done something like this before. So maybe I could just also learn from you like all
great,
our
great.
audience here. Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah, that's perfectly fine.
Done. So shall we start or should we wait for more? I think we have a lot of people joining in, so let's wait for a couple more minutes. Maybe you could
Yeah,
tell us
sure,
about
sure, sure.
paper treasures.
Okay,
Till
yeah.
by the time
So
I'm cutting into square pieces here. So
sure,
maybe
sure, sure, sure. Yeah.
1 second, ma'am.
So
Somebody's just
yeah,
asked if you want white or colorful papers. Should you have
any
white or
paper,
colorful paper?
like any colored paper works fine.
But colored would be a nice
Yeah,
touch
I
to it,
mean
right?
the whatever color just ignites you, pick that up.
Okay, great. I hope that answers your question. Z Sapient and everyone else is really excited. I can see a lot of smiles and a lot of thumbs up for you. Yeah, 5 paper is absolutely okay, Sneha. Okay, please, ma'am, about paper
Okay,
treasures.
Okay, so basically, I started this brand as quite a young mind. So the whole intention in the beginning was to make little things handmade and everything. Later on, we evolved with materials and everything like that. So yeah, that is how
Right.
we came up with this little brand called Paper Treasures. We do little things out of paper, fabric, whatever we find handy. We just modify it and try making it as beautiful as possible. Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. I even
So,
I actually don't know how to do all of this thing, but I will really keen interest in all of it. So I'm just gonna try my hand, as I hope others will. As somebody is asking, Prasaksha is asking, what size do we need for the papers? What is the size that we
so
require?
usual origami paper 15 by 15 सेंटीमीटर में आता है आपके पास उससे छोटा भी होगा तो भी चलेगा बड़ा भी होगा तो भी चलेगा so
But it has to be
yeah
square. That is the
yeah it
criteria,
has to
right?
be square that is the main thing.
Okay, great, great. When will we start? Okay, people are getting anxious now. I think we have a lot of, I think 30 is a great number to start with. Let us
Yeah.
begin with first one of them, like the starting. First
Okay.
origami that we're
So
going to be.
okay,
Hmm.
so basically, with origami, I have been a lot into, paper, origami, animals, and everything. So everybody
Right.
who's asking, they're confused about what kind of paper they need. So this was the piece that I found in it was a waste kind of a thing that I found
Wow.
randomly lying around my house. So I converted into a fox. So you can see that there are these little writings on it and everything. So you can use any random paper and you can turn it into anything beautiful. So don't be like so conscious about the whole thing.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Done, done, done.
Uh,
What are we making today? Can we like just give a brief about this to our audience?
okay. So basically, let me just start with what is origami. I think most of you might be knowing what is origami. Origami is all about paper folding and
Right.
making shapes out of it. It could be a 3D origami, it could be flat origami. Suppose this is a flat origami, what you see here.
Okay.
So this is a tessellation and this is a flat origami. While what you see here, I don't know if it's visible or
Mm-hmm.
not. So this is a
Yes,
lotus
notice.
and
Yeah.
that's a 3D origami. So origami can be
Okay.
both in both ways and often it is used for scientific purposes as well. So
Oh,
yeah, origami. So in NASA, when we see, probably you might have seen that movie, Mangalyaan, I think,
yes, yes.
something like
Mission
that.
Mangal. Yes, yes, yes.
मिशन मंगल राइट सो उसमें
Hmm.
जो गोल्ड फॉइल के साथ करते हैं वो लोग सो दैट इज
Right.
बेसिकली हाउ कॉम्पैक्ट कैन बी एंड दैट इज व्हाट origami teaches us
Wow.
and
We're getting a
origami is
lot of
actually
comments with this where they're saying this is beautiful and it's really beautiful the origami pieces that you showed.
okay thank you so much okay so let's head towards the first thing that we're going to make
For
for
sure.
today's session right so we are going to start with the butterfly today I don't know if it's visible or not
Yeah, can
we're going
you
to
just
start
bring a
with
little closer?
so we're going to start with
Yeah,
a basic butterfly.
for
Uh,
sure.
so I'll just adjust my camera.
Done, done, done.
Hold on.
I'm still struggling with the square paper, just by the way. I still haven't cut one. Yeah.
Just a second.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure. Oh, is this okay, Ayushi? This
Uh,
size?
yeah, seems fine. Seems fine.
Yeah? Yes,
Yeah, seems fine.
audiences, everyone, if anyone is cutting square pieces right now, I think this size would be an ideal one. And if you have papers already, then that's great.
So is my thing visible? My hands are visible.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I think,
Okay.
yes, absolutely.
So I'm not able to see the screen for now. So if you
Uh-huh.
have any questions coming up, you can just ask me and I'll be answering it to you.
For sure, ma'am.
Okay. So
Okay.
we'll start with a square piece of paper. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, you take diagonal edges and join them.
Okay.
आप इसको खोल देंगे.
Okay.
Then दूसरा diagonal edge हम बनाएंगे from the other two
Okay.
corners. And yeah.
This
So
brings up a lot of childhood memories, just by the
yeah.
way.
So you have two diagonal lines here, right?
Yes, I do. Yes.
Then we'll fold the paper in squares. So
Okay.
one like this.
So we'll open it up again and then fold it into a square.
Yes, yes, yes.
In
We
like.
open it.
Hmm.
We just have to create creases for the square,
Okay. Okay.
right?
Got it.
Then we'll again fold it.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, what you see is now two diagonal lines
Okay.
and two
Somebody saying please go slower. Okay, we'll explain it again for anyone who's just joined now or who didn't get it. Can we, ma'am?
Okay, so take a
Hmm.
square paper, uh,
Hmm.
make a diagonal crease like this,
Hmm.
and another diagonal crease like that. So we have a cross.
Yes.
And then we have a vertical cross and a horizontal cross. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares and 8 triangles.
Yes. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Yes, absolutely.
8 triangles. So we
Hmm.
go to the next step.
Okay, done.
So we fold it again. So we get a rectangle.
Hmm.
You get a rectangle. Now you take this edge and you push it inside. So you make a triangle here.
Push it inside. Okay.
Yeah. So you have a triangle.
Okay. This, as you can't see, I'm so sorry. Yeah. Uh, so, do we push the part in or?
So
Okay,
you
yeah, I
take
got it.
this
I got it.
this line and push it inside.
Okay, got it. Hmm.
So you have a triangle. Now you flip the side and again take this line
Okay. Yeah.
and push it inside. So you have a
Okay.
triangle here.
Okay. So can okay. So I'll just show the end product here. This is how it's supposed to look like, right? The end product.
Yeah, perfect, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please explain again. Okay, Prachi is asking to us to explain again. Can you quickly just open the thing and then quickly show it how we've done the creases?
So
Yeah.
from zero, when we start, we have a square paper,
Hmm.
we
Mhm.
have diagonals, we have vertical and horizontal lines, right?
So we made the diagonals by folding the papers. Yeah,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, by
Hmm.
folding the papers, one like that, one like this, then you
Hmm.
have it like this, and then you have it like this, right?
Yes.
So you have that. Then you fold it into half, take this edge and push it inside. So you get a triangle here.
Okay, so you take the edge and you just push it inside and then you get a triangle.
And then you flip the whole piece and take another edge and push it again. So basically, it'll seem something like that.
Okay.
From the bottom, you will see something like this, and from the top, you will see something like that,
Okay.
right?
Right. Okay, moving on. Yes.
Next, you put this tip facing you, and we take these open edges, right? You see this.
Somebody is saying that triangle is a bit uneven for somebody. For the.
Uh, so that might happen. That might happen. Once
Mhm.
you start practicing it, try.
Yeah, can you
Okay,
repeat? I
so let's
think
resume.
there was an internet. Yeah.
Sorry. There might be a possibility you might have an uneven triangle, but आप थोड़ा try करेंगे, so you'll be able to perfect it.
Okay.
right?
Somebody
Okay.
asking us to show the last step again. I'm so sorry for
Sure.
repeating.
Let's get back
Just the
again.
last step.
Yeah,
The triangle one, I'm
yeah, sure.
assuming. Yeah.
Sure.
Your
Okay.
camera, it's all blur, Ayushi. I think there's an internet issue.
I think there might be an internet issue. Just a second.
Yeah, sure.
Am I visible? Now, is
Uh,
it clear?
Not so much. Can it be more clearer? Like, can you switch
Uh,
to your mobile data or something?
I am on my mobile data. Just a
Okay.
second. I'm
Yeah,
going
I
on a
think
call.
this will work. Yeah, I
Or
think this works now.
this will work?
Yeah. I think this works. Yes.
Okay, fine. So now I'll get back to the video. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. So you open this, you have this triangle. You take this
Yes.
edge, push it inside, and you get a triangle here. Take this
Push it
edge
inside.
and then push this edge inside, and you get a complete triangle like this. ओके
Done.
गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप अभी जो खुले हुए पार्ट्स हमें दिख रहे हैं उसमें से हम एक पार्ट उठाएंगे एंड वील टेक इट
Hmm.
दिस एज टू दिस पॉइंट
I'm
दिस
so
एज
sorry. What? This edge?
this edge to
Mhm.
this point, right?
Okay.
So something like this, right? So yeah, you get something like this now.
1 second. Just. I'm having a bit trouble just pushing it in again. 1 second. Yeah, okay.
Okay. So you have a clean triangle on the back side and you have a diamond kind of a square looking here on the other side.
Done.
ठीक है
I'm just going to
अभी
show you where I am. Can you just let me know if this is correct?
yeah,
Maybe
sure.
the audience can also. Is this correct?
Yeah, this is perfect.
Okay.
Okay. So now,
Everyone, just can we just ask the audience if they're on like the same page with us right now? If I'll just
yes,
see the comments once again.
give a
It's clear.
thumbs up
Okay.
if you're like, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
People are.
So,
People are.
okay. So the next
Great.
step is we are going to take this thing and fold it backwards. So
Which
along
part?
this line,
Hmm.
so this point where it comes here,
Okay, the
it
end
comes
one.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Hmm.
this is the half, right? This line is the half.
Right. Right.
So more than that, we are going to fold it on the back side. So it'll look something like this.
Okay.
So you have something like this, something that looks like a boat.
So how did you have the? Can you open again and show it again? How did you?
So
Acha, okay. Just
so ये वाला जो पार्ट है हम उसको बैकवर्ड ऐसे फोल्ड कर देंगे ऐसे.
the part which has the open ends, that
या
part
या
उसको fold करना है.
हाँ.
Okay.
तो उस पार्ट को हम पीछे की साइड फोल्ड कर देंगे लाइक दिस.
Exactly half में, right?
No, more than half.
More than
So
half.
this is the half line. You see, this is the line where half. हम उसके आगे से fold करेंगे. So when you
Okay,
fold,
more
you
than
get a
half.
shape like a boat.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to figure out. Yeah. It does. It does. Is this
Right.
okay?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
perfectly fine. Okay. So we'll go on this side, ये वाला side, जहाँ
Which
पे
side? The
हमारा
smaller side or the one which is
the bigger side, जहाँ
big?
से वो बड़ा flap है. Right. So
How much to fold? Somebody's asking again how much to fold.
a little more than the half, so you can take an approximation of like around 1 centimeter or 5 mm.
Yeah, so I think more than half means अगर आधे से थोड़ा ज़्यादा, so then you get this difference, this kind
Yeah,
of difference जब आप fold
yeah,
करो, right?
itna different. So almost like a one finger thing.
Okay, one finger. Yeah. Absolutely.
है ना?
Done.
तो
Mm-hmm.
अभी हम इसमें आप देखोगे तो चार पार्ट, तीन पार्ट्स है, टू
One,
ओपन
two,
एंड वन, ठीक है? तो हम ये वाला
three.
पार्ट लेंगे और दो को छोड़ देंगे एंड वी आर गोइंग टू फोल्ड इट
The
हियर,
middle one or the end one?
एंड वन। जो दो है ये
So,
खाली रहने देंगे हम।
जो दो साथ में है उनको खाली रहने देना है. The ones that are
हाँ
together.
मतलब जो खुले हैं, या द वंस टुगेदर, उनको हम ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे एंड ये जो सिंगल ट्रायंगल जैसा बन रहा है उसको हम फोल्ड कर देंगे।
Actually, the middle one basically.
या
Okay.
ठीक है,
So the guy, the one that was
परफेक्ट।
like slight different in height, like that was the bigger one. Uska we will take the middle part, right, and then just fold it towards the smaller one.
या राइट।
Okay. Somebody, people are asking to repeat from the part that we made these triangles, I guess.
ओके, सो अभी
Hmm.
ये दिस इज व्हाट वी केम, दिस इज द हाफ लाइन, वी
Yeah.
आर गोइंग टू फोल्ड इट रिवर्स, more than the half, so you'll fold
Yeah.
it like that,
Hmm.
and when you fold it here, इसमें आपके तीन पार्ट है, वन, टू एंड थ्री, so you'll take the
One, two.
bigger part and you'll
Hmm.
fold it towards you.
Okay. So you will get something like this in the end, right?
Yeah. Now, what you see here are two open flaps kind of a thing.
Yeah, the ones, yeah. These ones, right?
Yeah. So now,
Hmm.
now this is a tricky step. All you have to do is you have to softly, open them.
But do we like crease, put pressure on the crease, make a
Not
crease when
much,
we.
not much, because that is going to give the shape of your butterfly. So you fold it like that on the inside. Flip it. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, but
So
I don't see a butterfly.
So this is what you see. This is what you're going to see. Something like that.
Uh, yeah.
Yeah.
I think it is. Yeah.
So you see curved edges here,
Yes, I do.
and आपका ये यहाँ पे ऐसा बटरफ्लाई के दो ऊपर के विंग्स एंड दो नीचे के विंग्स आ रहे हैं,
Right. दो ऊपर दो नीचे. Yes.
right? So now
Hmm.
all you have to do is ऊपर के wings को we are going to give a curve on the back side.
Which ones? These ones or the नीचे वाले?
ऊपर वाले, बड़े वाले.
This one, the bade wale are these.
Yes.
So what do we do with them?
You fold it on the back side like that.
There is how much?
Little
Very
bit, so
tiny.
that it's like you are shaping up the butterfly ka wings, so you fold it like that. So if you're able to see this thing a little bit.
Okay, everyone is asking us to explain again. I think we are a tad bit ahead than everyone. Can we start from like the part where it got a little difficult?
Okay, so I think we get back to this step जहाँ पे
Which
हमने ये
step?
छोटा triangle,
Okay,
where we
somebody
folded this
saying
triangle.
they only have two parts and not three. How come they have two parts and not three?
There's something
Okay,
major
people
wrong there.
saying explain again from how to make the diamonds. Okay, so I think the step that they're asking is not this one. इसके भी पहले वाला step.
We have to go on quite like a back one. Just a second. I'll start fresh with the
Okay.
new paper. So it's
Yeah,
more
I
easy
think,
for
yeah.
everybody.
Yes. For
Okay?
everyone who's asking us to start again, please, she is starting again. So now, please, we'll go slowly, but follow us. Okay, it's not that difficult. I think I made mine. Is this correct? Is this my butterfly?
Yeah, you're quite close enough. All we have to now do is, fold all the wings a little bit so you
Okay,
get a
we'll
perfect
come to
shape.
it when in the
Yeah.
new one. Done.
Okay,
Done.
sure. So, and starting afresh, so yeah. So that's my new paper. I think, is it visible?
Slightly on your right, I guess. No, थोड़ा नीचे लेके जाओ. Yeah. Perfect.
ठीक है.
हाँ बस.
So you fold it. हम सबसे पहले creases बना देंगे squares की and triangles की. So you have one crease and two crease. Then again you make another two creases for diagonals,
Hmm.
right? So you have four creases. एक खड़ी है, एक sleeping है, and दो right. So
Right.
we have these creases. हम इसका rectangle form करेंगे. After the rectangle is there, we're going to push this edge on the inside. So you get a triangle.
Hmm.
Then we take this edge and we push it inside. So you get another wholesome triangle.
So triangles from both the ends. Both the ends
Yes.
basically अंदर push कर लो.
Yeah. So you get
Done.
something to like this on the bottom and something like this on the top. ठीक है?
Hmm.
अभी आप ये जो खुले
अच्छा,
edges है,
Ayushi, I'm so sorry to interrupt. Can you थोड़ा brightness if there could be some light और थोड़ा सा I mean dark हो रहा है आपका video.
just a second. Just a second. Let's just
Yeah, just slightly I think dark हो रहा है.
sure.
Okay, the people who are almost ready with the butterfly, just wait a while. I guess there are a few steps missing. We will. I think there is something that's missing here. Even I'm excited to see how this ends. Just a few bit more steps. And everyone who has joined now, hi, hello again. We are starting with our butterfly again. So please follow us.
Okay. Is it better?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah.
Hmm.
What you see here. So we have got
Hmm.
this triangle. अभी इसके जो दोनों खुले edges है, we're going to take it
Mhm.
to the top of the triangle. So you get a diamond. Right? Once you have got a diamond, instead of folding it from the center line, we are going to take another extra bit and fold it on the backward.
Somebody just said I made two. That's great, Gia.
Okay, so you have this extra bit, and this thing looks like a boat.
Can you just ऊपर कर सकते हो आप? Can you show it to our this one? How it looks, the end product when we made the folds? Yeah, great.
So this looks like this, and on the back
Hmm.
side it will look like this. So you basically have three flaps, two equal ones, and one like a bigger triangle,
Yes.
right? Three flaps, one, two, three. ठीक है? अभी हम इस वाले बड़े ट्रायंगल को आगे की साइड फोल्ड कर देंगे. So it's locked here.
Okay, so basically the beach wala triangle that you get, the open
Yeah.
flaps के बाद वाला, just fold it to the smaller side.
Yeah, on the smaller side. And जो दो equal size के flaps है, उसको हम खोल देंगे. All you have to do is open
Somebody
that.
just said mine is looking a bit like a starfish. That's the beauty of origami, I suppose.
Okay, so you open that thing up towards the front, and what you see, and you fold it like that,
Hmm.
like this. So you have a basic butterfly shape ready here. Now to give fine edges to it, we are just going to roll this thing on all the wings. तो shape थोड़ा ऐसे confine and अच्छा लगेगा.
Okay. So on all the sides?
Yeah, all four sides. A little
Okay.
bit. So yeah, that's what it'll look like. Yeah,
Okay, but why
perfect.
mine? But I don't see the part where the folds come in. Have I folded it wrong?
I think you did it on the reverse side, maybe.
Oh, can we open it again from this part? It will rip if I open it. Somebody just said it will rip if I open it, and somebody's on the part where it's a boat. Okay, this is so much
It's
more.
a boat.
Yeah, I guess from the boat, if we take the step,
I think
it's
yours is correct, Muskan. I think yours is correct.
Something like this. I think it can be a butterfly, no? And I know I did something wrong because it doesn't entirely look the same.
I think नहीं ये तो सही है. I think you folded it more because आपका थोड़ा पतला होगा पेपर, so वो ज़्यादा fold हो गया होगा, and that is why you're getting that kind of a thing.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा.
But folding is right. So yeah, we have like butterflies here.
Great. So, do I get full points for this?
Yeah, everybody gets full points for this.
Great. People, let's just hear the comments now. Everybody's giving you a thumbs up, and I guess the big wings will come up or down. I guess they're
Big
down.
wings are the
I think.
top wings. Are the top
Achha, okay.
wings like that?
Okay. I did do it differently, but it turned out well.
Yeah.
But the wings are big wings are in the bottom, guys.
Yeah. The little ones, little triangles are on the bottom.
Great. I think people are getting it. I'm getting a lot of thumbs up. For everyone who was stuck on the boat part, we'll just make the with this video an IGTV one, and then maybe you can follow it up again and then try again and send us
Definitely.
photos of your origamis. Yeah, because we really
Yeah,
have
if
to
you're
move
sharing
ahead.
us, do tag us and let us know like
Yes,
how beautiful
please.
they turned out.
Absolutely. Tag Prodigy and tag Paper Treasures. Okay,
Yeah.
let's move on to the next one now, ma'am. I'm just gonna.
Okay. So this is a bit complicated one. I would request like everybody stays on the quite attentive and we'll attend to quick questions and everything. But
Yeah.
yeah.
Done.
Okay. So इसमें
Done.
reverse जाना थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा. So yeah,
Okay.
let's try being quick.
Okay.
है ना?
Somebody's just last question. Somebody's asking if you can show the final product again of the butterfly.
Yeah, sure. It looks something like that.
It's really pretty. You can actually make a hanging sort of thing, like just hang two,
So
three butterflies and make it really
yeah,
beautiful.
exactly. If you so when you were asking me about the paper size, अगर आप छोटे paper में बनाओगे, so you'll have baby butterflies, and then you can enlarge the size,
Ah,
and you can make a entire strings out of it. Big, small.
got it, got it. Done.
Okay. So
Okay,
now
yeah, I think we
let's
can start with the next one. Yes,
yeah.
definitely.
Okay. So we'll start with the square paper. I'll just adjust my camera.
We'll go really slowly this time, so maybe like we can take questions in the middle because this is a complicated one, yeah?
Sure.
Okay, done.
Should I take a lighter color paper or this is fine?
No, I think this is fine.
You're able to see. I'll just
Yeah.
get a sketch pen along so it's like more easier for you people to relate what creases I'm doing.
Yeah, I think that's a great idea. Yeah.
है ना?
Mhm. What are we going to make? That's a mystery to me as well. Let's just come. Let's just wait for Ayushi.
So, is the paper clearly visible?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So, we'll start with doing square folds only. Very basic
Okay.
square folds.
Square folds.
You see the lines?
Yes, square folds done. Do we have to make them too?
Yeah, like 4 squares. You will
No, no,
need
no.
to make
The sketch pen. Is this just for our
No. It's for
like?
your reference. So if you don't make it,
Okay.
it's fine.
Okay, great.
So the lines are visible, right?
Yes, they are.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now we'll take this edge this edge and take it to the center of the center line.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Any edge, right?
Any edge.
Hmm.
ठीक है? So you get this kind of an edge right here.
Yes. Yes.
Then you take another adjacent edge and you take it to the
Okay.
center.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you see is like a L, two L's.
Okay. Can we just
You see?
repeat a bit? I think we should do that. We should just repeat every step that we do so that maybe people who are confused can get it.
Sure.
Hmm.
So now first step was हमने square folds किए.
Square folds.
Then we took one edge and उसको हम center में ले गए.
Right.
So you get two rectangles like that. And similarly हमने ये वाला edge लिया and उसको हम center में ले गए.
Right.
So you have two rectangles and four squares. ठीक
Yes.
है?
Yes. Hmm.
Now we take the उसके सामने वाला edge, like this
The
this
one
side
who
of the
that
paper.
isn't folded.
Not folded. The side that is not
Yes.
folded. ठीक है?
Mm-hmm.
This edge, we take it to this line.
This line. Okay.
This
In a
edge to
triangular
this
form?
line. No, like that.
Okay.
So yeah, like this.
No, I think can we so far I have
So okay, let's
this.
just name the edges. हमने जो
Yeah.
fold किया था, this is
Hmm.
A and this is B, the ones that we initially folded.
Let me also just give write it down. I think it's easier. Okay. So there is side A and B. Okay. Okay.
A and B को हमने half fold किया, right?
Hmm.
Now you take C,
C is this corner.
A के सामने वाला. A के सामने वाला line is C.
Okay.
You take that to A वाला middle line.
A का middle line.
Yeah.
Or the line, the first line, because the middle line is this one.
This
no?
one. This line.
Acha, this one.
This line.
The second
See?
folded line.
Yeah, second
Yeah.
folded line. So you have this.
Mm-hmm.
तो आपको एक वो रेक्टेंगल वाला पार्ट दिखेगा जिसमें आपको दो स्क्वायर्स एंड एक रेक्टेंगल दिखेगा.
Yes. So I see
Perfect.
A and then एक rectangle and then एक बड़ा rectangle, right?
Yeah, दो squares and one rectangle.
Yes, this is it. Yes.
And similar thing you do with D.
Okay, D is the one which is
D के
opposite of
सामने.
B.
B.
Okay, ma'am, आपका camera might have shifted a bit. थोड़ा सा नीचे, can we? Yeah.
This
Okay.
time.
Yeah.
So we take D and then we fold it.
Till the B ka first line. I mean the folded lines,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I think can we just zoom out a bit, ma'am? Because when you do the foldings, I think वो थोड़ा बाहर निकल जाता है, the camera.
कोई issue
So then people are not able to see. Yeah. Okay.
This is what you will be seeing. This is the kind of grid that you all will be seeing on your paper.
Somebody is asking me to switch so that you can go up, but I am not sure if that is possible.
I don't think that's possible.
No, that's not possible, right?
Yeah, that's not possible.
I'm so sorry, guys. You'll have to deal with it. I mean, just can I do something about this? I can't know.
Probably you can use a pen to make the similar lines so everybody is able to see you as well.
But okay. Do I have a scale right now? No, I can do something. 1 second, give me 1 second.
Sure.
Okay, let me draw the lines here. Okay, so far I have these many lines. 1 second. Okay, so far I have these many lines.
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah, that seems fine.
Hmm.
Can you show me again?
Uh, so that's, I guess, this is D, this is C, this is A, and this is B.
Okay. Okay, fine. This thing, that thing. Okay, so you don't have that line. So you have something like this. So this is the center line for this thing.
Yeah, this is the center. So my center lines are this one and this one. These two are my center lines. This one and this one.
Okay, fine. So that one and this one. So जो आपकी पतली line बन रही है, मतलब this one.
So I'm just holding the paper ulta, I guess. See, now
हाँ,
is
no
it?
issues, no issues. I think one of
हाँ.
the fold is yet to
अच्छा,
be
this
made.
line is left. This line is left, I guess.
हाँ,
अच्छा,
that
no,
line
this
is
is
left.
my
So
line. So आपका I'm exactly opposite of your paper. So आपका ये जो side वाला line है is this line of mine.
no,
So now if you can
मतलब
see,
ये आपका जो ये line है ना,
हाँ,
that is
ये
perfect.
line
I
है.
think ये line बाकी है आपका.
The middle one.
These two
One.
lines.
Okay, yeah. I see. I fold. I did not make one line. Wait.
Yeah.
Um, ठीक है. Now.
Yeah, perfect.
Hmm.
ठीक है.
Oh, Muskan ma'am is using a line paper, so it's very difficult. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't mean to complicate this.
So,
I'm just
are you
out of
able to
shape.
see this thing, बच्चा लोग?
Okay,
So,
let's.
we see
Hmm.
this is square like that,
Step
and we
one.
fold it into half.
Step two.
So, you have one line this and one line this. ठीक है?
Yes.
फिर आप ये edge को लोगे and you fold it to the center, right?
1, 2, and 3. Yes.
इसको center लिया, you open it, you
Opened
take
it.
this edge, top edge, and you fold it to the center.
Hmm.
ठीक है? Then इसके सामने वाला edge, this one,
Hmm.
you take this to this line. That's here,
Yes.
right? Now you again open it. You take this edge to this line. Sorry. Sorry. This edge to this
Sorry.
line. Sorry. Right? Perfect.
Hmm.
So now you have this kind of a grid on your paper. पतला line, दो पतला line and दो मोटा line.
Guys, if it helps, draw the line grids on yours as well, so that maybe you will have a better understanding. Yeah, I think we are on the same page here.
Okay. Now we'll take a diagonal from here to here.
Just like.
Yeah, diagonal.
Actually, we're supposed to draw the diagonal also.
Yeah,
Grid.
just draw the so draw both the diagonals only.
Actually, crisscross both sides.
Yeah. So you have like diagonals also happening on the paper.
Yeah.
Okay. So now
Okay.
we'll go to the next step. You see a
Okay, question
square.
of the hour. What are we making? People are
Okay.
still.
Okay. So we are doing a quick origami bookmark that looks something like
Wow.
that. So yeah, we are doing a
Wow.
bookmark.
This is
Okay.
very, really, really creative. Okay, people are saying, can you show the paper while doing? So can we switch back to okay? Are you
Yeah, sure.
आप ऐसे ही करेंगे या फिर आप नीचे? हाँ,
So this
okay.
these are the final folds that everybody has on their paper right now.
Hmm.
Cool. So I'm switching at the camera again. Is it visible?
Yes, yes. Just थोड़ा बीच में ले हाँ बस बस बस. I think yeah.
ठीक है.
ठीक है ठीक है.
Now यहाँ पे corner में ऐसे तीन squares बन रहे हैं, right? 1 2 3 1 2 3
Which
1 2
one?
3.
1, 2, 3. Yes. A and B portion, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
So what we're gonna do is ये जो lines मिली थी हमें
Uh, हाँ.
so so these are the rectangles that are being formed.
Okay, yeah.
बड़े
Two
square से.
rectangles.
So you
हाँ.
just take these thing
Hmm.
and fold it to the center.
Fold how? No, I'm
So
lost. Sorry.
take this rectangle. ये last का जो edge है
Hmm.
उसको आप आगे की तरफ fold कर दो.
No, I didn't get that.
So you take this edge,
Can you name the edges and A edge, right?
B one, B edge. I'm
Okay.
on B edge. Take the B का last वाला rectangle का bit and fold it on B only.
Okay, yeah.
ठीक
अच्छा
है? So
बड़ा
you would,
fold.
हाँ बड़ा वाला part. So,
No, I think this is D then because मेरा B का fold is till the middle only.
जो so there are two squares happening. One is bigger square and one is smaller square.
Yes.
Bigger square stays up and smaller
हाँ.
square stays towards you.
Yes, yes, yes.
तो वहां पे आपके पास A and B edges है, right?
हाँ. A and B edges है
ठीक है.
smaller
तो
square के पास.
या तो B edge में जो सबसे बड़ा थिंग है लास्ट में towards the end, the one near to the C1,
अच्छा हाँ बड़ा वाला rectangle. Yes.
हाँ उसको आप B पे ही फोल्ड कर दो.
But आपका इतना बड़ा कैसा आ रहा है? मेरा is just okay, yeah, okay.
ठीक है. एंड सिमिलर हम A के साथ भी करेंगे. तो बीच में ऐसा कुछ बन जाएगा ट्रायंगल जैसा.
I am lost. I'm so sorry. मेरा first I can do मेरा first वाला हो रहा है. The B side is done.
So
It shows here.
let's do one thing. B में we
Hmm.
have 4 parts. 1 2 3 and 4.
Yes,
1
wait.
2
The
3
smaller
4.
is 1, then 2, and then 3, and the biggest one is the fourth one, right?
4. So take 4 on 2 and 3.
Acha, okay. Yeah. हाँ.
And similar thing 1 2 3 4. So A का 4 को 2 and 3 पे ले जाओ.
एक का 4 को while this is folded, right? We don't have to open this, no?
ये corner part हम खुला रखेंगे. So we just take this bit.
अच्छा.
We don't touch the rest of the paper. Just take 4 and put it to 2 and 3.
Okay, this is here, तो ये यहाँ आ गया, and this is here, तो ये 2 and 3 पे आ गया.
तो ऐसा
Okay.
कुछ बनेगा. या परफेक्ट. अभी वो जो बन रहा है उसको आप पुश डाउन करोगे तो स्क्वायर बन जाएगा.
अच्छा क्रीज दे दे मतलब.
हाँ क्रीज दे दोगे तो स्क्वायर बन जाएगा.
अच्छा but there is still a line that is missing, no? Like एक लाइन दिख रही है अंदर की तरफ. अच्छा ओके नहीं पूरा करना है अपन को. 1 second.
पूरा स्क्वायर दिखेगा आपको.
Yeah, I think I do. Okay. Is this and then ये वाली चीज को क्या करना है?
इसको
अच्छा
ऐसे
इसको
दबा
भी
दो
push
आप,
करना है.
उसको दबा दोगे तो यू विल गेट अ स्क्वायर.
अच्छा, I think I got it. Hmm.
ठीक है.
I hope the people audience are also getting this. Ma'am, when you were explaining Muskan, I also did everything as I thought you were explaining ahead, made it wrong. So now I have to start again. People are asking us to repeat. A lot of them actually.
Okay.
Can
Uh,
we?
sure. So I'll keep this one aside and I'll take you with another paper. So we'll do a quick recap.
Yeah. Okay, let's, guys, everyone, let's take a fresh paper and also draw the grids and name them as we go. So I think then that will become easier because that's what I am following. And it
Yeah.
is easier. I am reaching to the step. So let us do that. Let's get a pen and a scale and draw the margins as well. Yeah, you may start, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. तो हमने एक paper. So first we'll name all the edges A,
Hmm.
B, C, and D. ठीक है. स्क्वायर लाइंस बना दी हमने. उसके बाद हम we'll name one square line 1 and other square
Hmm.
line 2. ठीक है. All right. Is that okay?
No, that's too bright. I think नहीं दिख रहा है. थोड़ा सा और पास में maybe.
Now.
नहीं कहीं से there is too much light coming in तो वो बहुत light हो गया है. It's
Just
too
check.
much exposure.
Okay. Hold on.
हाँ, much better, much better. Yes, this
ठीक है.
is perfect. Yeah. Hmm.
So the center line that is going from A to C, I've named it 2, and the center line going from D to B, I've named it 1.
Hmm.
ठीक है. Now move B to 2.
I hope people
B.
are following this. This becomes really easy this way.
1, 2, B, D, and C. Okay, we
Hmm.
are going to take B to 2. So you get a line, we are going to name it 3. And we are going to take C to 1. Just stop me whenever you're not able to follow.
Yeah, I will stop you when there is a question because I am done with this. I think I am on the right path.
Okay. So
Hmm.
C to 1 layer, so we get line 4, and B to 2 layer, so we get a line 3. Now
Hmm.
you take
Wait, somebody's asking to wait. Okay, let's give them a second. By the time I think we can repeat, I think, so that they can get that again.
so we have 4
A,
edges
B, C.
A, B,
Hmm.
C, and D.
Hmm.
And we make 2 center lines. One center line from D to B is 1, and one center line from A to C is 2.
Hmm.
We take B to 2 and we get 3, and we take C to 1 and we get 4,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Can we proceed?
Sapient says his numbering are all wrong. Um,
Okay, just a second. So I think, are you able to see? No,
hmm.
right. Yeah.
Yeah. So there's A, B, C, and D. Then you fold it into four, like exactly equal halves. So that gives you
That's
one
1,
line and two lines.
2 line. 2
Correct.
and B
And
के
then,
बीच में 3,
huh,
C और D के बीच में
give me
4.
four. Got done. Yeah, I
ठीक
think
है?
now we can proceed. Huh.
Now we flip. Okay. So now you take A to 4.
A to four. Okay.
A to 4.
Hmm.
and D to 3.
A to 4 and B to 3.
3, 3. D to 3,
Hmm.
A to 4.
Okay, can we do the markings again because people are asking? A to C 1. Can we do the markings from the start? Only the markings. Just let us know the markings.
Just a second.
Hmm.
So this is the center line that I'm drawing right now.
Hmm.
Okay. So this one is the center line, 1,
Hmm.
and this is the center line 2. That is from A to C, and B to
Hmm.
D सिर्फ दूसरा center line है.
Hmm.
Now when
So
you
A
join
to B, B to D is 1 and A to C is 2,
2,
right?
right?
Okay.
Now you
Okay.
take B to 2, so you get 3,
So B to 2 gets you 3.
3,
Okay.
and
Hmm.
A to 1. Oh, sorry. C to D. Sorry, I got confused. C to 1. C to 1 gives you 4.
C to 1 gets you 4. Okay.
Fine. Then you take D to 3. That will give you 5. D to 3.
D 3.
5. So you get 5 here.
Okay. Can you show us the like the lines? Maybe then people can compare it with their own.
I don't know. Yeah, that.
Yeah, this I think this is yeah, this is much clearer. Yeah.
ठीक है?
So it should look something like this, guys.
Yeah.
I think we should give them a few seconds.
Sure, sure, sure.
So see how you have the smaller square on the side of B and C, and the bigger one is on the side of A. That is
Yeah.
what you will
A
need,
and D.
right?
Yeah.
Just show them now that the smaller one is the part here, and the big one is
So
on the
the
exact
smaller
opposite.
one you get in
Hmm.
this corner, जो B and C के corner पे आ रहा है, and the bigger one
Hmm.
you'll get it on A and D का corner.
ठीक है, कौन? I think people are people are understanding now. Yeah, they're asking next step.
Okay, so now
Hmm.
एक side पे you are getting 3 squares, 1, 2, 3 on B and C का corner.
B and C का छोटा छोटा वाला square वाला corner.
3
Yes.
squares बन रहा है, ठीक है?
Hmm.
So on the B line I'm going to name all these squares. So this is like B1, B2, B3 and B4, right?
Hmm.
B1, B2, B3 and B4.
Hmm.
ठीक है? You take B4. Similarly, I'm going to do A1. A1 and B1 are going to come together.
Hmm.
ठीक है? A1 and B1 साथ में हैं, and then you have A2, A3 and A4, B2, B3
Hmm.
and B4. ठीक है? You
Hmm.
take B4 to meet B3 and B2, like that.
Hmm.
And similarly, you do with A4 to come on A3 and A2. So we
Hmm.
were on the step जहाँ हम A4 को A3 and A2 पे लेके जाएंगे and B4
Hmm.
को B2 and B3 पे लेके जाएंगे. So you get
Hmm.
something like this looking towards you. Right? Now
Hmm.
you push the whole thing down so that you get a square on the top.
Hmm.
ठीक है? Perfect?
Done.
ठीक है? Now ये जो दो flaps खुल रहे हैं दोनों साइड पे,
Hmm. Hmm.
so
Hmm.
हम उसको सेंटर में फोल्ड कर देंगे like this.
Okay.
आइसक्रीम कोन जैसा दिखेगा.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Right? So you have something like this. Easy.
Yes, I got my cone. Yeah.
Okay. So we have this. ये जो ऊपर का triangle दिख रहा हमें,
Hmm.
so you fold it towards you like that.
Okay.
ठीक है? तो ऐसा कुछ दिखेगा.
Oh no. अच्छा,
You
this
fold it
triangle.
reverse.
अच्छा,
आपने वो जो
I have to
बड़े था.
fold it.
Yeah, no. So this is okay. This is how it is.
हाँ.
अब नीचे से
अच्छा, okay,
फोल्ड
no.
करना है. Yeah.
अच्छा, got it. So sorry for that. अच्छा guys, नीचे वाले folds लेने हैं, right? Okay.
And top triangle
Now,
अंदर के side.
अच्छा. One second. This is really difficult than it looks like. मतलब, I have to admit.
Yeah, perfect.
Now,
Yeah,
hmm.
perfect. So now you
Okay.
open the
Please
whole
slow
thing.
down. Okay, we will slow down. Ma'am, people are saying to slow down.
So we'll
Yeah,
stop here. Take a pause.
repeat the steps, I guess. So we were till here. I hope you guys are here on this step. We just have to make two folds like these. So, and the part, the most topmost corner, you just have to fold it inside. Am I correct, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, so you get the end result this one, as this. Yeah.
Okay. So next step
Okay.
is we're going to open everything up now.
Are you serious?
So you get something like this here. We're back to basic.
Okay. So we really have to. Are you just showing
Yes.
us?
No, I am asking you to open it up.
Acha, okay. Let me just put the creases more. Okay. 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 Yeah.
So you see a square happening?
Wait. Yeah, I do. Let me draw it.
Yeah.
People are asking. One second. How to fold A4 and B4?
Ah, okay.
Uh,
So we are now on the basic again. So I'll tell you again. A4 को A2 पे लेके जाओगे आप. And B4 को B2 पे लेके जाओगे. Right? And then you
hmm.
get something like this, which you push down, and
Hmm.
you get a square here, two
Hmm.
rectangles, and one small square. ठीक है? The small
Hmm.
square remains towards you, and ये जो triangle है, you are going to fold it in the shape of a cone towards the center line. जो ऊपर वाला triangle है, you are going to fold it towards yourself.
Hmm.
You then open the whole thing up like this.
Hmm.
You get a square here.
Is this it?
Yeah.
This
Yes.
triangle?
No, bigger
Okay.
square. I think you have drawn that square. And you get
Because
this kind of a line. Yeah, you get this kind of a line here.
which line? Okay, the one again, the diagonal one?
Yes, that is going from the center of the square.
No.
Yeah.
Acha,
Look
so
at me.
uh, Acha, you this okay. This will be another diagonal because we made a diagonal before
Yeah,
also,
yeah,
no?
yeah. That will be another
Yeah.
diagonal.
Okay.
So something like that.
One. Hmm.
ठीक है?
This one, right? So this line you're
Yes,
talking
yes,
about.
yes,
One
yes,
that's
yes.
going in the middle.
Yes,
Okay.
perfect. We're going to take scissors and cut that. So,
Which side? Which ones?
so we are going to cut it till the square. That's all.
Okay. One
Till the
second.
square and not the square.
On both the ends.
Yeah, on both the sides. We are not going to cut the square. We are not going to cut the paper hole. Just till the square, the line that reaches the square. That's all. जहां तक स्क्वायर पे पहुंच रहा है उतना ही.
Okay.
Yeah,
Something like
perfect.
this.
Yes. अभी जो
One
हमने
second.
start.
1 second. Can you please show the last step again?
What? Which last step exactly?
I think the one where we open the fold and then make the diagonal and square. I think that step.
Okay. So this is okay. This is how the paper was. We folded
Hmm.
it to the center and हमने
Hmm.
ये triangle आगे लिया. ये triangle
Hmm.
खोला, ये दोनों flaps खोले and we opened the entire paper. When you open the
Hmm. Hmm.
entire paper, you get a square here and there is a
Hmm.
diagonal line that is going from the center of the square.
Hmm. Hmm.
And ये वाले लाइंस को हमने कट कर दिया जो स्क्वायर के बाहर थी.
Okay.
ठीक है. तो अभी हम
Hmm.
वापस से वही फोल्ड्स कर देंगे जो हमने पहले किए थे. लाइक दिस.
Oh. Okay.
जैसे हमारा पेपर पहले दिख रहा था हम वही फोल्ड कर देंगे.
ठीक है. Till
ठीक
here.
है. नो नॉट दिस वन.
अच्छा
ओपन दैट.
नहीं ये नहीं करना.
हाँ
Okay.
सिर्फ डायमंड दिखे वैसा. नाउ यू
Hmm.
टेक दिस फ्लैप, द बॉटम वन, दिस वन,
Hmm.
एंड ओपन इट फ्रॉम द ट्राइंगल लाइन. ये ट्राइंगल लाइन दिख रहा है आपको जो हमने स्टार्टिंग में फोल्ड किया था.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
वहां से आप ऐसे खोल दोगे.
Okay.
So I don't know if you just so we take this line
Hmm.
and then you fold it like that.
Yeah. I think I get something like this.
Yeah, perfect. And then
Hmm.
you just press it down like that.
अच्छा inwards.
Yeah. Ha, perfect.
Something like this.
Yeah.
Did people get this? 1 second. We will go again. I think we should go again so that they can.
So we were right here at the square. Sorry.
Hmm.
We were right here at
We
this
made this.
square. You
Yes.
open the square and you get something like this.
Uh, can we do this? Like, can we put it up a little and then do it again?
So
Yeah.
you have okay, just a second.
Hmm. Hmm.
So you have something like this.
Hmm.
You take this flap, bigger flap, this one, and you pull it right here, like that.
Hmm.
ठीक है. So in the front you see something like this.
So once we made the cut, guys, we folded the piece again, and then the corners that we did, we just opened them and then just like made it inwards, right? That's what we did.
Yeah,
No?
that's all we did.
Yeah. This when it was this, we just opened it
Yes.
and then just made a cut like this. I think
Perfect.
people are done. Yeah, I think they're getting it.
Okay. So now I'll just take the camera again. So now we are
Yeah,
on the
like a
last.
diamond.
Almost.
Absolutely.
So now we take this flap, this one, this flap.
After cut, exactly how you did before. 1 second, Ayushi. Puaki, after cut, how to join is simply you just have to do it again. The one fold that you did before earlier to get you back in this shape after cutting. And then simply the joints that you did, like this ones, the ones that you made here, instead of doing that, you just have to take the triangle, open it up like this, and then just fold it like this to make like a diamond thing. 1 second. to make like a diamond thing, and your corner, your triangle will look like something like this because
Yes.
you fold it from the triangle
Yeah.
that way. Yeah,
So you,
yeah, yeah.
this is
People
the
do.
last thing we have right now.
Yes, last part. Yes.
Okay. Next step is, so you have the A1 and B1 facing towards you, right?
Yes, I think this is my A1 B1. Yes,
हाँ,
yes, yes,
तो
yes.
जहाँ पे हमने कट किया था, we'll take those flaps and get it to the center.
I'm so sorry. It's not visible, Ayushi.
Now is it visible?
Yeah, yeah. What did you do?
So we take
Yes, okay.
this edge, and we take it to the center of the diamond,
Okay.
like that,
Fold it again.
like that.
Okay. Both the sides?
Both the sides.
We will explain from the square again. Let's just take it a few steps ahead and then we can do the repeat again probably.
Yeah. So you have something like this now.
Yeah, 1 second. I'm just figuring that out. Yeah, I think I do. I hope I do. 1 second. Yeah. Is this it?
Yes, perfect.
Okay.
ठीक है. You're able to
Hmm.
see this thing. Now, what you're going to do is, आप देखोगे कि ये दोनों flaps ऐसे free है, like this.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So you take one and fold it upwards, like that.
Uh, can you just zoom out your camera a bit?
Just a second, wait. Let me just show it like that. Probably that's not getting adjusted. Just a second.
I think this is what you mean.
Yeah. So you have this thing. You take
Hmm.
this flap and put it up
Yeah,
like
because
that.
this is already cut from before, so you will have it
Yeah.
like free. Yeah.
So you see this?
I do, I do.
ठीक है. Abhi, now instead of folding it from the front, just take it on the back. That's all you have to do.
This way?
Yeah, perfect. Do it on both this.
Is it supposed to look like this?
Like this on both the sides.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now just pick one of the ends and fold it a little.
Did not understand. Okay, I think we should stop and rewind a bit.
I'll just go back to another paper that we did.
I'm with you, ma'am. I think I got it. I think I am on
Yeah,
your
so we
step.
have the crane
Let's-
here.
Okay, this is the crane. Oh, yes, I see it now.
So we
Yeah.
have the crane. So I'm just taking back. So we'll halt this here. I'm going to take back to the very beginning and give you a
I think
recap.
from people are requesting from the square. So after I guess we when we cut it and then we put the square back again, I think we should do it from there. Take it from there.
Okay. So I'll go to my
Yeah.
previous paper that we were doing. So this was the
Yes.
thing that we did. Next thing we are
Hmm.
going to do is we're going to fold it like a ice cream cone. So it looks like that, right? Then you fold the triangle in the front. So you have something like this.
Hmm.
And then we're going to open the whole thing up, right? So what you
Hmm.
see here is a square, right? I'll just
Yeah.
draw it. So this is what you're going to see. Square,
So yeah, this
and
is from the square.
this is what we are
Yeah.
seeing. right?
Hmm.
Now we're going to take scissors and we're going to cut this and this line.
Hmm.
ठीक है? ये कट हो गया हमारा लाइन.
Hmm.
ठीक है? And then we go to the basic folding like that.
Hmm.
ठीक है? Now all you have to do is we are going to open the square up like that.
The line that you will get, there will be a diagonal line that will be crossing right in the middle of your square that you got. That line you have to cut it till the square and not more than that.
So we get something like that.
And then after folding, this is what you will get. You
Yes.
have to fold, open the fold from the triangle that you had before. You will see the markings.
So this is
Yes,
what we
yes.
get. Next step
Hmm.
is we are going to take this edge and fold it to the center. This edge and fold it to the center, right? So this is what you're going to get then, right?
Hmm.
Then you're going to just take it on the backward and fold it like that.
Just like twist it in the back, not in the front, in the
Yeah,
back.
yeah. So you get almost like a crane ready for you.
Okay, I'm so sorry, Sneha. We'll have to continue this because you can watch our IGTV after this and just follow the steps again because we really don't have much of the time right now. Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
so next thing is we're going to make the head out of it and we're going to just fold a bit of this thing. So you get the head for the crane.
Hmm.
ठीक है?
Hmm.
Just one side,
Yes.
you get the head.
Oh, okay, one side.
ठीक है?
My head is
Now,
a little damaged.
okay, so now all we are going to do is we're going to take this edge
Hmm.
to this line,
How?
like that. Sorry, the top edge.
Acha, okay. Make a triangle sort of thing.
Yeah. And the
Okay,
similar
it's
thing,
easier because we already have the creases, right? We just have
exactly.
to follow the creases.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you've done this, open it and do it with the other side also.
Yeah.
So you have something like this.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Now,
Hmm.
the last step is you take this one, this
Hmm.
edge, and fold it on the inside as much as possible. जितना आप अंदर
Inside
की
how?
साइड like this.
Acha.
जितना आपका अंदर जाता हो उतना अंदर आप फोल्ड कर दो.
We will show all the last foldings again, okay? Just one second. After the diamond, okay, we will do that. We will repeat the process after the diamond one. Let's just come to another ending and then maybe. So both the sides? Oh, so
Yeah.
we're done.
Yeah,
Oh
you're
my god,
done.
we're done. It's probably the most fruitful thing I've done in the entire quarantine.
So yeah.
Okay. Is this how it's supposed to be?
Yes. So you can fold the wing down.
Acha, okay. Oh my god, this looks
Tada.
beautiful. I'm probably gonna color this.
Make a new piece rather. Keep
Oh
this
yeah,
as your first
I
thing.
need
First thing
practice.
that will be your trial, and then you have a final thing.
Yeah, absolutely. But is this correct?
Yeah,
Do
this
I
is
have it? Oh,
perfect.
did you make this head
No,
thing is
you don't.
also coming out.
That
Acha,
is
no.
okay.
Acha, okay, sorry.
Okay, yeah, that's okay.
That absolutely. I think I hope guys see this, like our audience sees this as a swan, not mine, but at least Ayushi's. I think that's way better.
So we did
Wonderful.
like try a very miniature version. So if you see, we have like a
Yeah.
very smaller piece of this thing, so which I am
Mhm.
currently using as a bookmark for my books. So yeah, it looks
Okay.
something like that. Yeah,
Yeah. It's really pretty and yeah. Kind of
yeah,
feels proud to have our own bookmarks made.
yeah.
Yeah, I think we should repeat again. Coming back to our audience, we should repeat the steps after the diamond. So we made that big diamond, the bada diamond, after cutting and after
Okay,
folding. I think उसके बाद से.
ठीक है. So I'm just taking another piece of paper and I'll start it. So this is what we
Yeah.
had as
I
a diamond.
yes, yes, from
ठीक
this
है.
time.
We're going to take this
Yes.
edge and this edge to the center line,
Hmm.
like that.
Hmm.
So this is what you see.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
ठीक है. Now you take one flap and fold it backwards
Hmm.
and take another flap and fold it backwards.
Hmm.
ठीक है. Now one edge you're going to make the head of the crane. So that folds like on the front. So you get the head of the crane.
Hmm.
ठीक है. Now we're going to take this edge and take it on a line here.
Hmm.
ठीक है. So
I'm receiving such lovely comments from audiences. They're loving it. Anu Abhinav, thank you so much. Puaki, thank you. Dits Chaudhary, thank you so much. Shweta, thank you.
so you have something like this.
Okay, I think can we open again and show how much till we folded? Yeah, so
So
we
you
just
see
yeah.
this, you take this
Mm-hmm.
line and you take it
Hmm.
on this one.
Hmm.
Okay. And I folded like this.
Hmm.
And the similar thing, you do it here also. You see this
Hmm.
line and you fold it here. And you have something like this. So you have something like that.
Okay.
So next,
Manisha is saying seriously amazing. Kavish is saying this is amazing. Agrima loved it. Vedant, who is logging from Gia's ID, loved it. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in.
I'm so waiting
Yes,
to see
sorry.
what the results look like.
Yeah, please send it to her and Prodigy as well. I'll be
Definitely.
sure to send it to you once these guys send it to me.
Definitely. I'm really looking forward to it. Then we take this edge and fold it as much as possible on the inside, like this. And we do that, the similar thing on both the sides.
Hmm. So it looks like a stick.
Yeah, it looks like a stick.
Hmm.
And there you have a bookmark.
Let me take my notes. This is like a
Yeah.
yay. Yes, Kabra
Just keep
Moini,
hold.
we have a lot of. I'm so sorry. We have a lot of new and exciting activities. Probably we are going to do every week or probably in every 2 weeks. Keep signing in. Keep watching our space hobby activities for more of such activities. For now, yay to my first
Okay.
origami. Thank you so
Just keep
much,
holding up. I
Ayushi.
might take a screenshot.
Yeah, sure. Do you see it?
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you.
Oh,
I
this
hope
is Ananya.
everybody
Ananya loved it.
enjoyed it.
Yes, I am reading the comments as they come. Shilpa said it was so good. Manisha, who is an Anya, one of our students, said it was amazing. Kabra Moini is requesting us to have this every day, hopefully soon. This Chaudhary is asking for another origami. Please,
Uh,
guys, go follow Ayushi, Paper Treasure. She will conduct a lot more origami sessions, hopefully. Maybe you can
yeah.
join in there. Yeah, and just log into our IGTV, and if you make these with these little things, please send us your snaps or send us your videos and tag us more importantly so that we can
Yeah.
also follow and see the results.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I had an amazing time. It was never have a Sunday been so productive. Thank you, and so much fun doing that. Thank you so much,
I'm so
Ayushi.
glad. I was so nervous that it is becoming so complicated, but then if the
No,
final
no,
results are
no.
good, I'm like
I think the
happy.
grid did the work. I think the grid was a very
Yeah,
smart move.
yeah.
So, yeah, any final words you have for Prodigy or anything that you want to add?
I'm so glad to be a part of, such a group of people who are doing such creative works with kids and, taking them a lot ahead and especially in times like this, you are boosting up children with new energy. So I feel like really good being a part of this and hope to, be a part of your team again. Let's see.
Absolutely, absolutely. We are I mean, grateful for you that you could join us and on a Sunday that too. But I hope a lot of you taught a lot of students and a lot of parents and kids as well a lot of new exciting things. And I hope they try more and more of these stuff again. Again, thank you
Definitely.
so much for joining in. Yeah, I think we shall sign off. Anybody has
Okay.
anything to say or ask? Ayushi, she's right here. Okay, Manisha says, thank you so much, Ayushi ma'am, for such an exciting activity.
I'm so glad you were able to, learn something. It's like really happy that students are able to take back things.
Yeah, I think me too. Thank you so much again, Ayushi. I think we should sign off now.
Yeah, okay,
Had a
sure.
lovely
It was
time.
nice being with
Yeah.
you guys. Okay,
Bye.
bye bye.